Assalamu alaikum beautiful people. Today in this short video lecture I will discuss a house plan which size is 25 feet by 45 feet. So how to design a house plan, best house plan in the dimensions of 25 feet by 45 feet. Guys, this is located in north direction. So guys, you can see this is its front, which is in north direction. Okay, in north direction its front. Okay, so let's start. If you need a house plan, so 2D, 3D, structure design, animation, so you can contact me on given WhatsApp number. I can help you and I can design a best house plan for you. Okay, so let's start, guys. As you can see, guys, here in this house plan we have 3 bedrooms, 1 2 3 bedrooms, TV lounge, our living room, kitchen, common bath, and attached bath with bedroom, and also garage we have. Okay, our car parking we have here. As I told you guys, the length of this house plan is 45 feet. Okay, and its width is, guys, 25 feet. Okay, so guys, this is its front. Here, guys, the first one we have, this is roadside. Okay, this is the roadside. As I told you, this is located in the north. Okay, this is roadside. Here, guys, we have the main entrance. This one, this is the main entrance, or you can say this is the main door for this house plan. This is main door. Okay, which is 4 feet. Right? The first one, guys, we have a TV lounge which size is 18 feet by 12 feet. Width is 12 feet and its length is, as you can see, this is its width. Width is 12 feet, right? And its length is, guys, which is 18 feet. Okay, this is TV lounge. Now the front of, or the opposite of this TV lounge, guys, you can see this is kitchen, and size of the kitchen is 18 feet by 6 feet. Width is 6 feet. Width is 6 feet. Okay, and its length is, guys, just 18 feet. Okay, same like TV lounge length. Now, guys, you can see this is the lobby. Okay, and the width of this lobby is 5 feet. Okay, so here the first one, guys, you can see this is the common bath. Okay, common bath, you can use it from this area, or for anyone can use this common bath. Okay, as a toilet they can also use, and the size of this bath is 8 feet by 6 feet. Okay, its width is 6 feet and its length is 8 feet. Okay, now, guys, come here. This is the first bedroom. Okay, so the bedroom size is 12 feet by 11 feet. Width is 12 feet. This is 12 feet. Okay, and its length is, guys, this is 11 feet. Width is 11 feet and its length is 12 feet. Right? Next, guys, you can see the other door for this one. Okay, this is other door for this bedroom, and size of the bedroom is 12 feet by 11 feet and 7 inches. Okay, so its length is, guys, this is 12 feet. Okay, and its width is 11 feet and 7 inches. Right? So, guys, here you can see this is the wardrobe. Okay, and also this is for the other one. Okay, also you can see, guys, this is the other bedroom, and size of the bedroom is same like this one, 12 feet by 7 feet and 7 inches. And here, guys, you can see this is bath, attached bath, which size is 8 feet by 6 feet. Okay, 8 feet by, not sorry, this is not 8 by 6 feet. Okay guys, this is 8 feet by 7 feet, sorry, 8 feet by 9 feet. Okay, this is 9 feet, right? And this is 6 feet, right? This is the bath. Now guys, come to its ventilation system. Guys, here we have a free space for this house plan. So this is the window, this is ventilation for this bath, this is other ventilation for this one bath, and this is the kitchen window, this is the other window. As you can see, this is window to the front side, this is window to the front side for this bedroom, also for this bedroom, and this is the other window for this TV lounge to the road side. Okay, so guys, here we have also a small door for this outer side. Okay, so you can also use this area. So this is next with this house plan, okay, or with this plot. So guys, this is garage, and the size of the garage is here same 18 feet, length is 18 feet, and its width is guys 12 feet. This is garage or car parking. So guys, this is a short video, and I have discussed how to design a best house plan in the area or in the size of 25 by 45.